Buongiorno a tutti. My name is Miriam Caccaicarro, and I will be cooking with you the Roseto Valfortore cultural cookbook. Today we will be cooking Bucatini All'Amatriciana from the kitchen of Michele Carpino. For this recipe, you will need olive oil, salt to taste, pecorino or strong Parmesan type cheese, pancetta or guanciale, whatever you are able to access. Bacon can also be substituted, but it doesn't really have the exact Italian taste. Tomato sauce, and this pasta, bucatini, which bucatini is a very interesting pasta as the inner part is hollow right through the middle. So all the sauce can really seep in. Onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and some parsley. As you can see, Italian recipes for the most part are pretty simple, so you can really savor each and every flavor present in the recipe. First you dice your pancetta finely. Now you're going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil, and you're going to put your pancetta there and let it saute. Make sure you mince your garlic and finely chop your onion, so then you don't have chunks of onion in your sauce. And then you're going to put your pancetta in with your oil that's all warmed, and let it cook for a bit until it has a bit of color before you add in your garlic and onions. And you'll find, depending on whether you use onion or garlic, your sauce will taste differently. Usually when I make just plain tomato sauce, I just use garlic because it gives it more of a savory taste, whereas the onion has more of a sweet taste. When you combine both, explosion of flavor. The next step is to add your diced onion. And you want to let this cook together for about 5 minutes until the onions are clear. Now you put your water into boil. You don't want to forget your peperoncino. So add just a little bit of that. You do about half a teaspoon. Once that's in there, you put your tomato sauce and let it boil for between 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches the desired consistency. Another tip, usually once you pour your sauce into your pot, what we usually do is you fill up the sauce bottle with about maybe a quarter of water, and just shake it around so you get all the excess sauce and you don't waste anything. And it also gives a little more wateriness to the sauce, and once it boils off, more time boiling gives more flavor. Once the water is boiled, put about 2 to 3 tablespoons, salty enough that it tastes like the Mediterranean Sea. pasta. Take a little piece and taste it. Perfect, al dente. A little bit of a crunch to the inside. Now is time for the taste test. The flavor is amazing. Parsley and the cheese, great combination. Best enjoyed with a perfect glass of wine. Until next time, buon appetito! Today we will be cooking our